Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and I really like taking this L-Carnitine supplement. I find it super easy to take because it's in a powder form. It's by Bulk Supplements. It dissolves in water, so it's really easy to take. Apparently it has a slight taste, but I don't taste anything. You can see how quickly it dissolves. You're supposed to take 2/5 of a teaspoon. I just take less than a quarter of a teaspoon, and I'll dissolve it into water. I really like taking the powder form because I'm just taking L-Carnitine. I'm not taking anything else with it, and I can dial in the exact amount that I specifically need. So I like the powder because it's so versatile. Also, the fact that the bag is really sturdy and seals up very easily is another plus. So if you're looking for an L-Carnitine supplement, definitely check this one out from Bulk Supplements. I buy tons of things from this company, Bulk Supplements. I think they're a really great company. I like their supplements, and that's my point of view.